Hi, this is Sherry. This is a short video of one of my journals. I called it Feathered Wings. I used a upholstery fabric to put over the hardback cover. Has several signatures, quite a few pages. I don't remember how many. And the theme is birds, and I have included several pages from an Audubon book, an oversized Audubon book, plus drawings of birds from other nature books I have, such as how to build nests for your birds, fabric, lace, edges, trims, pockets, journaling cards, all the usual stuff. I hope you love it. Thank you for watching.